Hey, how's it going, y'all? This is Anthony with Sportsman's Connection. We're a small family-owned business and we've been mapping the outdoors for 30 years. We took all that amazing knowledge and experience and put it into our new product line, our Wood Engraved Lake Maps. It's been a great start to the year and I'm really excited to go over the finer details of our Wood Engraved Maps with you. We have over 10,000 lakes and reservoirs available. We offer them in a variety of sizes and finishes. Our Wood Engraved Maps are USA made, 100% maple veneer wood. The bottom layer of the map is stained blue, with engraved depth contours and lake features. The top layer has all the road details, cities, boat ramps, marinas, campgrounds, parks, and landmarks. Here we have our name placard with the name of the lake, county, and state, with the lake size and max depth. Our legend even includes all the most popular fish species present in each lake. Each one of our lake maps comes with a set of hearts and stars so you can mark your favorite location, your house, cabin, or even your secret fishing spot. Our Wood Engraved Lake Maps make a great gift for any outdoors lover, whether it be for the holidays, a housewarming gift, or for Father's Day. Find your lake at scmaps.com.